What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown of Bitcoin and the requested coin on my Telegram, which is Litecoin. Before I jump into this, guys, you already know what you need to do. You need to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, tick the little bell to get the notification for when the next video drop, guys. And like I said, any feedback, please leave it in the comment section. And if you'd like me to break down any other altcoins, please leave it in the comment section and I'll do a breakdown in the next video. So before I jump into the Litecoin breakdown, and with the upcoming Litecoin halving around the corner and what it means for price, where price can go to, where price can drop to, and where we can potentially get to. So first of all, I like to jump into Bitcoin and just to a quick overview of where price is going, where we're going, where the next target is, where the next support is. So guys, just to show you what's happened in the past few days, well, since the beginning of the month. So we had this rejection here, and then people were saying that's it, we're going to get a head and shoulders, and people were expecting for price to find rejection here and then to fall back down. And like I said in my previous video, guys, no pattern is valid until you receive further confirmation. A pattern is just an indication where price can get to, where if it's bullish or bearish, but never go against the trend, and never trade unless you have confirmation of the formation. Anyway, so we had this absolutely ripping price, this another parabolic rise, and then like I said in our previous video, we'll get some consolidation between this region here, and for what it looks like, it seems to be we're forming another pennant or bear flag, if you like, where the flag of the pole is all this here with this consolidation. So at the moment we are finding support on this trend line and we are finding resistance on this trend line. So usually if you get a pennant or a wedge in an uptrend, that usually means it is a continuation pattern, and vice versa. If you're in a downtrend and you get pendant, it's a just continuation pattern, so it'd be a continuation to the downside. So what I'd be looking at to do, and if I was going to trade this, I'm currently not on any trade in Bitcoin, but I'll just give you my opinion. If I was trading this, what I would do. So like I said, no pattern is valid to get confirmation, and the confirmation would be a break of this upper resistance trend line, a clean break, a close above it, and to take out this previous high here of this wick round about just under $9,500. I mean, if this comes into play, then $9,600 is a given that's going to come into play. And guys, if you look at 9,600, it falls right in between this previous resistance that we found in this region. And as you can see, guys, it also lines up with this 0.27 fib. It literally, it is bang on the just under 10,000, which coincides with this wick rejection here that we had back in May last year. So, and vice versa, I'll also give you the scenario if we break down to the downside. So if I go back down to the 4 hour so you can see a bit more clearly, if this if these high lows don't hold on, if we fall between this and we break down, we have that support on 0.382 fib, and then lower down at 8400, which was this massive resistance previously, which in fact should now turn into support. And even if we do fall into this region, I believe all it will do is just create another higher low, which is bullish. We also have the 200-day moving average here lurking here, which could also act as support. And if we break down, we've got the 0.786 fib as support, and then further down we have that 7,500, which has been support 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that is very, very much valid support. So once again, a quick overview. If he was going to trade this, I'd wait for break of this. If he was going to short this, I'd wait for a break of this trend line, guys, because as you guys can see, this trend line has been respected time and time again. Anyway, let me jump into the main part of this video, which is Litecoin. So if you on my Telegram, guys, you would already know what's been happening here. I called this pretty much the other day. I mean, to me, it was clear as day how this pattern was going to form out. So since the uptrend we've had from time and time again, so what's been happening, we're forming these, we're getting an upsurge, and then we're consolidating in a wedge, and then once we break out the wedge, price is going up into the next staircase. I mean, if you look at this, guys, it's just another staircase up. Stop from here, another one, staircase higher, staircase higher. And why? So that just led me to believe this shouldn't be any different. So I called on my Telegram, if we found a break out of this wedge, which we did, and then price could surge all the way up to around about $150. And $150, look at this. If we go on the daily so you can see a bit more clearer. So $150 falls in with this previous resistance that we found here. I mean, if you look again here, guys, look, there wasn't much support on its way down. So that's why I believe if we break above that 140 region, sorry guys, so like I said, if we break above this region and we take out this wick, I mean, price can easily surge to about $150. I mean, at the moment, this daily candle is looking pretty bullish. It's looking to close above this one, it's looking to close above this one, and almost to close above these 3 wicks here. So if we take out these 3 candles here and price continues to go higher, I could easily see us going to $150. So that's something to look out for. And also, I just want to come back to the Litecoin halving. I mean, I found this article which explains what happened previously. I mean, we had this, if you can see on the screen, we had a downtrend, we broke out of it, and leading up to the halving, we had a 500% surge in price, consolidated for roughly about a year, and then we went to all-time highs. And then again, we've been at a downtrend. If I zoom out, so I'll show you what I mean, guys. If I just clear this up quickly. So we had this downtrend here, guys. Price broke out of this bearish region out here. I mean, pretty much since last year, price has just been going down. We were forming lower highs each time, and then as soon as we broke out of this, look, price has been absolutely ripping to the upside. So in my opinion, leading up to the halving, I can see price surging to, I would say it could even surge to these previous 2 high wicks here, guys, which is roughly about $260. But there's a saying that goes in trading, which has been used and has come to fruition many times, is buy the rumor, sell the news. And I think people are FOMOing into Litecoin at the moment with anticipation that the price is going to absolute surge. It creates a lot of FOMO, a lot of hysteria, and price will continue to push higher in anticipation of the halving. But the big players, the market makers, the big financial institutions, and the ones that have the most money in Litecoin, they will anticipate this and they will sell the very top guys, and it's more likely to be before the halving more than after. So I'll expect a sharp sell-off just before the halving, people taking their profits. I mean, don't forget, if people have been buying since $22, let me just show you how much price has gone up since then. So if I go to price range tool here and I take the very bottom and where price is currently at. So we're already up 500% since end of last year, guys. So just stay ahead, stay awake. I mean, think like a financial institution, think like a big trader. Don't think like a normal retail trader and FOMO into this and buy the very top. So hope you enjoyed this quick little breakdown, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me, guys. Every subscriber, every like I get, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, guys. Honestly, I do. So I'll be making another breakdown video, probably another tomorrow. I'll probably cover XRP, Ethereum, and I'll do another poll on my Telegram. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the moon. Crypto Chris over and out.